Let's have a look at today's defense news, the highlights. Ananth Technologies hopes to put country's first private GSO communication satellite in space by 2026. CENJOWS MCMM sign MOU to boost indigenization and standardization for Indian Defence Forces. JCBL expands manufacturing facility in Chennai, aims to boost production and sustainability. CDOT and Trois Infotech sign agreement to develop face recognition using drone under the TTDF scheme. Steel cutting of first next generation missile vessel for Indian Navy at Cochin shipyard. TDF scheme developing indigenous pulse TWT for Indian Air Force fighter jets to counter radar threats. Aeronautical Development Agency considering upgrading the gun system for the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program. In the global news, Qatar expands its air power, new contract for Eurofighter Typhoon jets. Russia deploys BAS 200 drones to support Arctic Icebreaker operations. German Navy tests Blue Whale underwater drone for covert ship tracking. Poland acquires General Atomics MQ-9B Sky Guardian in $310 million deal. The news in detail. A week after space regulator IN-SPACe cleared the decks for Hyderabad-based Ananth Technologies to become the first private Indian company to offer geosynchronous orbit (GSO) communication satellite, the company is all geared up to develop and launch its first satellite over the next 18 to 24 months. IN-SPACe announced ATL as the first beneficiary of the announcement of opportunity for non-government entities to access Indian orbital resources. As part of this, ATL has been permitted to launch a GSO satellite in the Ka band under Indian ITU filing. This gives Ananth Technologies an exclusive orbital position in the Eastern Hemisphere, where it can position its communication satellite in geosynchronous orbit at 689 East. In a positive step bolstering indigenization capabilities, the Center for Joint Warfare Studies, CENJOWS, which is the Tri-Services think tank under the headquarter IDS, signed a memorandum of understanding with the Military College of Material Management at Sita Pahadi, Jabalpur. The inking of the MOU will lead to the establishment of the MCMM Chair of Excellence at CENJOWS, streamlining research on establishing standardized protocols and processes for quality assurance control user trials of munitions for Indian Army. The deal will include a study which will focus on developing comprehensive QA/QC protocols, enhancing procurement and contracting frameworks, establishing standardized methodologies to streamline assistance, and creating inspection, proof, and certification standards specific to the Indian Army. JCBL Merrill Tippers, a leading manufacturer of specialized trailers, bowsers, and export oriented containers for US and European markets, has announced the expansion of its advanced manufacturing facility in Oragadam, Chennai. The facility expansion will increase JML's production capacity by 25%, helping the company serve its expanding customer base. It also marks a strategic diversification in JML's product range, covering sectors such as defense, automotive, navy, railways, construction equipment, petroleum transportation, mining, power transmission, and heavy fabrication components for earth moving. A word about JCBL. JCBL Merrill is a joint venture between JCBL Limited, that manufactures of high quality customized mobility solutions since 1989, and Benz Merrill France, world class manufacturers of handling equipment for industrial vehicles since 1919. This joint venture as JML has become a leading truck tipper manufacturer in India and enabled JCBL to hold its position as a leading mobility solutions provider. What Marel offers to the JV is its strong design capabilities in tippers and global affiliations with truck manufacturers like Volvo, Mercedes, and Scania. On the other side, JCBL brings to the JV very strong engineering skills, understanding of the domestic market, and most importantly, relationship with Indian truck manufacturers like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motors, Swaraj Mazda, to name a few. Center for Development of Telematics has signed an agreement with Trois Infotech for its face recognition using drone technology. This agreement has been signed under the Telecom Technology Development Fund (TTDF) program. The scheme is designed to fund Indian startups, academia and R&D institutions, acting as a crucial enabler for the design, development and commercialization of telecommunication products and solutions. Trois Infotech is an innovative deep tech startup founded in 2018 and headquartered in Technopark, Trivandrum. The company, incubated by Kerala Startup Mission, specializes in artificial intelligence, machine learning, embedded systems, IoT, smart surveillance, enterprise web and mobile technologies, video management systems, and solutions in telecommunications. Through Infotech integrates advanced hardware systems with software solutions, delivering scalable and efficient products. With more with over 150 employees, Through Infotech is at the forefront of developing cutting-edge technologies that drive intelligent surveillance and enhance operational efficiency. Its focus on research and development ensures the continuous advancement of smart technologies. Through Infotech's offerings extend across various sectors with a reach across India, Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. This project focuses on developing advanced drone based solutions equipped with industrial grade long range cameras optimized for facial recognition, high accuracy edge processing, and seamless real time data transmission. The drones will leverage cutting edge computer vision and AI technologies to address challenges such as camera and target movement, low light conditions, and power constraints. The key innovations include custom imaging systems with high zoom lens, face adaptive exposure control technology, and proprietary communication protocols. The primary objectives are the development of long range imaging technology 500 meters plus with advanced night vision, high accuracy edge processing for real time facial recognition, and seamless communication system integrating 4G, LTE, 5G, and long range Wi Fi technology for uninterrupted communication with ground stations. Technological breakthroughs include an advanced imaging system with high sensitivity CMOS sensors, IR laser illumination, face adaptive exposure control technology for optimal exposure, and low power AI hardware for real time processing. Designed for aerial surveillance, these drones will revolutionize applications across traffic management, emergency response, defense, and more, setting new standards in drone technology for real time intelligence and decision making. The steel cutting ceremony of the first ship of next generation missile vessel was held at Cochin Shipyard on 16th of December. The NGMVs are planned to be installed with state-of-the-art weapon and sensors. The ships are envisaged as high-speed vessels with a formidable array of weapon and sensors, including surface-to-surface missile system, anti-missile defense system, air surveillance and fire control radars. The Technology Development Fund (TDF) scheme is currently focused on developing an indigenous pulse traveling wave tube specifically for the active self-protection jammer. This initiative aims to enhance the capabilities of India's fighter jets against radar threats. The primary goal of the TDF scheme is to promote indigenous design and development of defense technologies, particularly targeting the SMEs and startups. In the global news, Qatar has officially confirmed its intention to purchase 12 additional Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jets, a move that aims to enhance its military capabilities and strengthen defense ties with United Kingdom. This acquisition is part of Qatar's broader strategy to modernize its air force and reflects a commitment to bolstering national security. With this new order, Qatar's total acquisition of Eurofighter Typhoons will rise to 36 aircrafts. The latest purchase follows a previous agreement made in December 2017 for 24 Typhoons valued at £6 billion. The new contract is estimated to be worth around £2.8 billion. The jets will be manufactured by BAE Systems at its facilities in the UK, specifically at the Wharton and Samlesbury sites. The Bas-200 unmanned helicopter system developed by Holding Russian Helicopters, part of Rostec State Corporation, is being adapted to enhance operations in the Arctic. Designed for ship-based missions, the Bas-200 is set to play a pivotal role in supporting Icebreaker navigating the challenging Arctic Ocean. The Arctic region presenting unique challenges such as the lack of unprepared runways and the need for drones to operate from ships. Helicopter-type unmanned systems are specially well suited for such environments, giving their ability to perform vertical takeoffs and landings. The German Navy has tested the Blue Whale underwater drone as a candidate platform for what the Sea Service envisions as a future fleet of unmanned vessels for combating enemy submarines. Officials staged the 2-week experiment last month in the Baltic Sea. The German Sea Service explicitly envisions an anti-submarine warfare role for the Blue Whale vehicle made by Israel Aerospace Industries. Equipped with various cameras as well as active and passive sensors, the drone can spot submarines, surface vessels, and sea mines, notably without emitting signals of its own that would alert targets that they are being tracked, according to the German Navy. Now, some news about Poland. Poland has signed off a $310 million purchase of MQ-9B Sky Guardian drones from General Atomics. This is an investment in Polish security and cooperation with a strategic partner, that is the United States. Poland is not only investing in the arms industry but also strengthening economic relations with allies. The agreement is aimed at increasing the capabilities of the Polish armed forces in the field of acquisition of reconnaissance data. The MQ-9B air systems will enable the acquisition of image reconnaissance data through the use of electro-optical systems and synthetic aperture radar, as well as in the field of signals reconnaissance. The contract covered 3 UASs. Once in service, the MQ-9Bs will replace the GASI MQ-9A Reaper UAS that Poland has leased since February 2023. Known as Sky Guardian in its baseline overland configuration and as Sea Guardian in its maritime configuration, the MQ-9B is to shortly enter service with the UK as the Protector RG-1 and has been ordered by Belgium, Canada, India, Japan and Taiwan and US Special Operations Command, with interest shown from Denmark, Germany, Greece, Lithuania, Morocco, Norway and the United Arab Emirates. Now let us have a look at Poland, a little more about Poland's defense news. What is the status of Poland's relationship in defense with India? Let's have a quick look at Poland's imports of Indian arms and ammunition in 2023. In Poland imported arms and ammunition from India worth $456,000. The imports included traditional edged weapons, revolvers and pistols, bombs, grenades, torpedoes, mines, missiles, and parts of military weapons. The largest segment was traditional edged weapons, amounting to $316,000. These imports reflect a strategic alignment and potential diversification of Poland's defense suppliers. The trade highlights growing ties and mutual interest in defense and security between India and Poland. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.